my name's Caroline. I work here at the Wickersley Rotherham store, and today I'm introducing a new power chair. It's called the Q50 R Carbon. Carbon meaning it's made of carbon fibre, which is ultra lightweight. The actual weight of it is 14.6 kilograms. It is foldable and transportable. It carries a weight of up to 21 stone, and it will do up to 15 miles depending on the terrain you'll be using it on. I'm going to show you how it folds so you can actually transport it. So first you would tuck the foot plate in. Then at the back there's a hook just to lift up for it to fold. So pull that and it folds down into one piece. Then lift from the handle underneath and it will stand up. Now, because it's so lightweight, it's very easy to lift. So if you're popping it in your boot of your car, most people should be able to lift it with ease. I'll now unfold it. So again, put it down onto its wheels, hold the seat and lift up. There is a seat belt. Just lift that out and then that clicks into position. It's currently in freewheel mode. Freewheel means I can push this slowly if I was to pop it in a garage or a shed. At the back there are two brakes. If I click them on, I'm now in drive mode, which means I can now drive it away. So I will just turn it on with the power button, bring the foot plate down and get myself moving. I've got two buttons here for the speed. If I push it up, it indicates it by light, and I push the button down and it brings the speed down. It's also got a horn. The joystick is your control. So now I'm going to just quickly move using the joystick. And I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.